Welcome to Green Life. In our factory, the art and technology will collide. Finest materials ensure our superior products. On the assembly line, every step confirms to our high standards. Our skilled workers ensure perfection in every product, precision in every detail. That's our promise. Enough long-aging tests guarantee the excellence and reliability of our products. Quality is king here. From the tiniest heating plate to the sleekest fragrance lamp, everything's checked and double-checked. Cover bottom, labeling, color box, outer carton. Every product is carefully packaged. Ready for the world, our products leave the factory to meet global needs. In our innovation lab, we constantly explore new technology. It's not just about the tech. Our design team dreams up these beauties, making sure they look as good as they work. Aroma diffusers, wax lamp, tart warmer, plug-in scent, our range speaks of diversity and quality. From our factory to your doorstep, we're not just sending products, we're delivering satisfaction, piece by piece.